Okay, so here's the ditch witch. We took the cylinder off because it needs to be repaired. It's leaking like crazy, and we just capped off the 2 lines, essentially. We've got the repair kit and everything for it. It's got a duetz in it that's got less than 40 hours on it. And it's got forks on the front and loader. So we haven't started here in a couple days, but I'm going to hop on it and see if I can get it to start very quickly. So there you go, just kind of hold on that. I don't know. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Runs and goes.
How do you push? I don't know. What do you push stop?
There's a button up there.
Where? I don't see it.
Well, there it is. This is our Ditch Witch 1025 SK. We've owned it for probably over 10 years at least, and we bought it from a utility company out of Atlanta. It had a Continental engine in it. We ended up putting a new a new duetz engine, an air-cooled duetz that starts right up every time, as you see. Put brand new tires on it, and we put some forks on it. We used to use it to unload pallets from the back of a semi and around the farm. It does need a seat. There is a cover for the motor itself. We just took it off to cool the engine a little bit further. And that's about it. It's hydrostatic, so you step on the pedal, it goes forward, step on the pedal, it goes back. It's 4-wheel drive, it's 4-wheel steer, it needs the cylinder repaired. The rest of the hoses aren't in all that bad of shape, but make a good farm tractor, and we just don't use it anymore. We've got a excavator and we've got a bulldozer. Our farm has expanded beyond the reaches of this. The bucket on this is about 30 inches wide on the backhoe side, so it can dig some sand or dirt very, very quickly. So it is offered for sale. It's as is, and it's here between Eustis and DeLand, and it'll make somebody a great machine. I hope you like it.